Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm doing a summer glow look. Redhead, so natural redhead. So during the summertime, I don't like to put a lot of makeup on my face, especially foundation. So today I'm going to be doing a natural look. I'm only going to go a little dramatic on my eyes, but I'm going to keep the face very simple. Just a little bit of bronzer, blush, and some highlight. But for my eyes, I'm going to go slightly dramatic, and I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics Vacation palette. What it looks like. Using this palette because there are a lot of warm colors and a lot of like tropical colors. Do a look using this makeup palette. Stay tuned. I've already moisturized my face, and I really love to use the Tarte Cosmetics Drink of H2O moisturizer. This is a hydrating boost, so it really moisturizes your face. I love using this moisturizer. It is one of my favorites. So because we're keeping the face very natural, I'm going to start priming my eyes, and the first thing I'm going to use is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. So now we're going to go into the palette. Remember, we're using Take Me on Vacation by Kylie Cosmetics. Color first, and this one is called Surfboard, and we're just going to put that on the eyelid. So the next color we're going to use, and this one will go on the outer corners of the eye, and we're going to just blend it into the crease of your eye, and we're going to use this one up here, and this one's called First Class, and we're just going to put that on the outer corner eye, and we're going to blend it into the crease of the eye. And I'm also using her Kylie Cosmetics brush that came with the palette, and it's a two-sided brush. So now we're going to take the other side of her brush, and we're just going to dab it on the outer corner of the eye, and we're going to use this shade right here, Coconut. Next, we're going to take the shade Aloha, and we're just going to put it on the eyelids here to give it a little sparkle. The next thing that I'm going to use is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. Now, the tricky thing is doing the exact same thing you did on this side with this side. So wish me luck. Close enough. Next, we're gonna do the eyebrows. And I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Auburn. And I'll be right back. So I'm back. I did the eyebrows off camera because I haven't perfected eyebrows yet. I'm still learning to do eyebrows like a lot of YouTubers, beauty gurus out there. There they are. They're there. They're colored. Now I'm going to use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter eyeliner, and I'm just going to put it on top of the eyeliner that I've done. And this is my first time doing it. Wish me luck. So now that we've suffered enough from putting these false eyelashes on, because I don't put false eyelashes on, I am safe enough to do mascara. That's it. So this is a pretty big deal for me, and I think I did a pretty good job, so thanks. As I said before, I am not putting foundation on because this is a natural summer look. It's the first official summer break for me. And I love summer. Summer is my favorite season. Also fall is my favorite season. So I don't like to wear a lot of makeup, especially because I like to embrace my freckly face that I have. So instead, we're just going to put a little bit of bronzer, some highlight, some lipstick, and we're all set. Even though the eyes are a little bit dramatic, you know, sometimes you have to go with a little bit of a dramatic eye. But you don't have to do this dramatic look. You can just put eyeliner on, mascara, and you're good to go. But I wanted to try the eyelashes because I got them from Sephora. We're going to start with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. We're going to take the Hourglass highlighter. It's this here, and it's in the shade Ambient. And going with the Kylie Cosmetics Vacation theme that she released, I believe it was last year. I also got her her liquid lipsticks. This one is the shade Birthday Suit, and I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. The next one is called Commando. This one here. It's a little darker. I'm gonna swatch that too. So that's Commando and Birthday Suit. And this one is called Naked. A little lighter. And the last one is called Bear. And there are the swatches. So these are all her Velvet liquid lipsticks, and I bought them at the same time that I bought the Take Me on Vacation. So the liquid lipstick that I'm going to use is called Bear, and that was the last one that I swatched right here, and I'm going to put it on my lips. To finish off the look, I am going to be using the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Spray. And this is my, I would say, natural summer look. I mean, you don't have to go as dramatic as I did on the eyes. You can definitely not use the false eyelashes or use such a heavy liquid eyeliner. Like sometimes I like to use like a brown pencil eyeliner when I'm going for a more natural look. But in terms of natural, I did not put anything on my face, not even concealer. And even though I have these blemishes down here, I still like to keep it really natural in the summertime. There you have it. This is my summer look. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. See ya!